Hello everyone and welcome to my balcony garden. Today's video is the first in a 3-part design series on how to create stunning seasonal pots for autumn and winter. In part 1 I'm going to show you how to make this really simple, cheerful, low-cost pot. In the next video, so part 2, we're going to make a slightly more elegant, a bit more sophisticated pot. And in part 3, I'm going to show you how to make this 2-season pot. So this pot actually spans autumn and winter. You just make a few quick adjustments to the pot and it switches from autumn to winter. Let's get started. So start with your pot. I want a bit of life in this display, even though it is simple. So I've chosen this gorgeous little pot. It was gifted to me from a friend. They were going to throw it away and I was like, don't do it, it's too beautiful. I love the diamond shapes and the colour, that sweet green colour is really pretty. I've filled it with a good quality peat-free multi-purpose compost and I've left just a little bit of space at the top. Next to the plants, any plants that you plant right now need to be autumn and winter hardy. I'm using 3 plants. I've chosen one that hangs, one with flowers, and one mini conifer. This is going to add height, texture, and it gives a little nod to the coming season. First plant to plant is the hanging plant. So I plant it at the front, but just off center. Next comes the conifer behind. Backfilling as you go. Now come the flowers. I've chosen this beautiful chrysanthemum plant. I love this kind of apricot-y, yellowy colour. It's just so sweet and cheerful. Every plant has a face, so make sure it is facing forward. You can see this plant still has a lot of flower buds that are not open, so I want to make sure that they're facing forward and find the prettiest angle from the plant. And we've already got a gorgeous looking pot. It's really starting to take shape now. So there's a little bit of a hole left. I'm going to fill that with soil. So now I'm going to add the deco pieces, which I just think transform the pot, even though it's already pretty. But first I'm going to lay a piece of baking paper over the soil. I don't want the pumpkins to rot. So I've chosen this lovely white creamy mini pumpkin. I find that it just really works with the pot and it also brings out some of the lighter tones in the flowers in the chrysanthemums. They're so cute. And just play around with the rest of the deco. And lastly, add some pine cones. I picked these up in nature. And again, just play around, see where they fit in the best and what makes the pot look stunning. And that is it. So now you have yourself a simple, beautiful, low-cost autumn pot. Remember to water it in and place it somewhere where everyone can see. Don't forget to watch part 2 in this series. We're going to be making this beautiful, elegant pot. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it. Hope you're all staying safe and well, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.